Hello, I'm Campbell Gregan Willemse, and today I'm going to present how I integrate the key principles of JLZ 300 into my teaching practice. Today's lesson is going to be for grade 10 learners. The intro, the subject is for life orientation, grade 10. Like I said, the topic is about career guidance in life skills development. Relevance with JLZ 300, focus on the effective instructional communication. In my lesson, I applied JLZ 300 strategies such as clear verbal instructions as visual supports. For example, I use videos of young professionals to cater to visual learners and scaffold activities like goal setting worksheets to support learners step by step. These strategies ensure all students are effectively engaged and can access the content. JLZ 300 emphasizes the importance of a classroom as a social space where learners feel safe and respected. I foster this by encouraging learners to share their interests and goals, promoting peer feedback and respecting individuals' differences. This creates a democratic environment that values diversity. Challenges and reflection. One challenge is balancing diverse learner needs with a limited time frame. I plan to address this through ongoing formative assessments and providing a safe space for learners to share. Building trust and respect is key to overcome reluctance and fostering open communication. In my conclusion, effective communication is fundamental to building relationship and facilitating meaningful learning. As an educator, I see ongoing skill development as essential, and I view challenges as opportunities to refine my approach, ensuring I meet the needs of all learners. Thank you.